Okay, hi everyone. If you are seeing this, I'm clickbaiting the title. But I'm still talking about my reaction of the purge of Wisecrack. Wisecrack is an institutional YouTube or educational. I don't care about what they are. I just want their content. And also, I'm not going to edit any sound difference because I have no studio, as you can see. This is just the background, but this is the house. Okay, let's start. The Purge is annual yearly of in America that lets you take out the stress by killing other people. So, Wisecrack take upon its philosophy or its science in taking what really would happen, or is it really good to take out your stress or the things that once that's make you angry for a whole year and just releases for just 12 hours. That's what Purge talks about. And Weiss said, I'm not sure if they're in the yes or no, or if the Purge is a good thing or not. But I'm thinking they're on the no side because as the research goes is as the research goes, it goes with it shouldn't be like that because the more you take out your stress, the more you want to pull it out. So meaning that 12 hours per year is gonna not not going to release more stress. I mean not to release your stress, but make you more want to do it more. This is if you know Batman, this is what he does. But he's on the side of no in the Purge because Purge is like releasing your murder side, which is not human, ethical, or righteous for a person. Because this means that you're going to kill a person just because you're stressed out or angry or want vengeance or just flat out want to kill the people without any reason. So Batman does not do that even if he had a reason so many times in the comics. But so Wisecrack also said this that if you release your stress or anger, you will just make it you will just remove it, then this would not really help in taking out the anger because after releasing it you just want to do it more. It's like ecstasy or any illegal drugs. The more you use it, the more you take it, or and so by on, people would always do it again because it's much more fun or stimulating. Like doing the bad things you want. I don't know what's your prohibited things in your home or in your community. Like let's go to the lowest standard, stealing, taking money, etc., etc. If you do that in one time, then you will likely have to do it 2, 3, 4, 5 until it's natural to you. That's what Purge do. If you do it one time, you will do it again and again until you're addicted to it. That's why Purge is not good for any person. But in Wisecrack Edition, they are not sure if this is true, so I am not going they are not going to approve that Purge is not good, but they are like more in the know than in the yes because of the research, which probably is only one scientist had 3 participants or 10, which is not really reliable for psychologists because psychologists has no budget for that. Even doctors, they don't have budget. Don't believe them if they said this is tested by 1 million people or 100,000 people. It's only tested by 100 people. That's how they get percentage of 100. So no more counting percentage of just 99.8. That's how they do it. Not 1,000 people of example. So as I ended this I will end this video. I'm more like in the know in doing purge, because if it was legal, because if you do this, you will just do it again, just like illegal things in other countries or other, maybe other centuries, because purge can be literally what you call that, can be literally injected to other timeline of the 18th century, 19th, 16th, 17th. Because if you do that in any century, that is still not legal. Your conscience is going to kill you. If not, you're a human being who is a soulless, heartless bastard. Sorry for the sayings, the bad mouthing. Please don't demonetize this video. Plus, if you want your own opinion, if you want to put your opinion, just put it in the comment. If you don't like my video, thumbs down. Because nobody likes my video so since starting 2016. So if you want to comment if it's good or it's not, if it's good or not good in doing purge, do it. I will comment and maybe do a reaction and explain to you why you're right or wrong. So thank you and bye for now.